In this video, I will show you the profile page and its features. On Mineitor dashboard, click on your avatar on the top right of the page, then click your email. This will show you the profile page. There is a referral link that you can send to your friends to register on Mineitor. If someone registers with your link or referral code and purchases on Mineitor, you will receive 30% of payments of the referred person on every purchase. Also, the referred person will get a free additional month of subscription and 10% discount for the first purchase. To check out your referred accounts and earn credits, visit the profile page in your account. You can withdraw the credits to your BTC wallet every time you want or spend it on Mineitor. You can see the list of referred users and referral earnings by scrolling down. On the right side of the page, you will access features like Change Password. You can reset the password of your account. If you click on Yes, an email with a link to change password will be sent. Activate Google Authenticator. To enhance security, it's very important to activate this part. Then you have to enter the code whenever you change pool settings or access to remote browser. Connect Telegram account. The alert will be sent from the Telegram bot. Wallet balance. This is the amount of your referral earnings in your wallet. Referral code. This is your referral code, and by clicking on it, it will be copied. Time zone. All the times shown on the panel like log settings or time of connecting, disconnecting of devices and data are based on the time zone. And the schedule functions in Mineitor is based on time zone. Please provide the correct time zone. Configure BTC wallet. If you want to withdraw your earnings from Mineitor, you should configure BTC wallet. After configuration, an email containing a confirmation link will be sent to your email. Scroll down to the notification settings section and activate or deactivate different alerts and notifications you want to receive. Login alerts. You will be notified when someone logs into your account. New miner. You will be notified once a new miner is detected. Connect, disconnect. When a miner is connected or disconnected, you will be notified. Pool change. Any change in the pool of miners will create an alert if it is not done through the Mineitor's panel. However, it will be notified if the pool is changed directly from the web panel. State change. Mineitor by default detects the device's current working state. State change of miners as normal, low hash rate, overheated will be notified. You can change the default expected values of different models. For example, you can add the expected overheated range for each model that I will introduce in the following videos. Location change. Location change as sections shelves will be notified. Configuration. New configurations as well as their failure or succession will be reported. Schedules. New schedule, delete schedule and their edits will be notified. Remote browser. Any login to the miner's web panel through Mineitor's remote browser feature will be alerted to you. Maintenance. You will be notified if a new task is added to the maintenance section, as well as any change to the task operation. Furthermore, some types of notifications can be manually defined, which I will introduce in the following videos. If you had any question or problem, feel free to create a ticket from your dashboard or talk to us using website live chat service.